Anthony, in a year since the law change, 2 juries in Duval County have recommended death for 2 men. However, if these men had been tried before the law change, they would not have had enough jurors to receive a death recommendation. Now in Florida, only 8 of 12 jurors are needed to recommend death, the lowest number in the country. Since the law change 1 year ago, juries recommended Marcus Fishburne and Michael Jackson receive the death penalty. But had their cases been tried before the law change, this would not have been possible. That's because, according to the state attorney's office 4th Judicial Circuit, neither juries voted unanimously for death.
What we are hearing from the attorneys who are representing these individuals is that the rules have changed in the middle of the game because the law was applied retroactively. It doesn't matter what day the offense happened, it's the day that they get sentenced.
Criminal defense attorney Shannon Schott says a judge still has the final say in sentencing. This week, jurors hear evidence in Patrick McDowell's case to decide whether he lives or dies. He pleaded guilty to shooting and killing Nassau County Sheriff's Deputy Joshua Moyers in 2021.
Patrick McDowell should be sentenced to death.
McDowell's defense begins their case Thursday, expected to produce witnesses with insight into his past military experience and apparent addiction issues. Florida is responsible for an increase in the number of U.S. executions last year, according to data from the Death Penalty Information Center and Executive Director Robin Marr.
What was interesting about Florida was that it had not executed anyone in several years, and it went from 0 in 2022 to 6 executions in 2023.
Schott says because fewer jurors are now needed to recommend death, it's likely more attorneys and defendants are trying to negotiate to not get to that point. According to the Florida Department of Corrections, there are 278 people on Florida's death row, more than 50 of them from Duval County. Reporting live in Duval County, Renata DiGregorio, First Coast News, on your side.